Okay, so this should be a really easy video today. So today we got a 94 Honda Civic EX. It's the 5-speed, and we're going to be replacing the lock cylinder today. So this is how you do it. So there's 3 fasteners. They're just Phillips. There's one there, one right down there. This one's not even in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove those. Alright, pull down our tilt, and we'll pull the cover off. So now the next thing is you'll put your ignition key in and turn it to the on position, and then now allow the key to be removed. Get rid of that key. So today, why I replaced this lock cylinder, it still actually works, but what's missing is this little nub that sticks out of here that actually gets held up in here to keep this ignition cylinder locked in place. So it just lost its little nub here, so that's the reason why this one was replaced. Bring in your new lock cylinder and install that. There we go. Now just to test to make sure everything's good. Voila! And the car was still in drive, but whatever. So then we'll just go ahead and stick the cover back on and then put your screws back in, and job well done. So this was a really simple ignition to switch out. A lot of the ones I usually deal with, you got to take the steering wheel off, but not this one. So, like always, comment, rate, and subscribe. And check me out on Facebook at Dave's Garage 512.